Not even small tears. I can't go. Jesus. That stays under. That's the universal thing that guy was talking about. This is the seat. Bubble wrap sponge. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Toyo here, and I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that has watched, that has subscribed. I recorded this part before, but when I saw that the views went up and subscribers as well, I was like, no, I have to record this again just so I can say thank you to everyone that has joined, and I really hope to keep growing. So basically, this past, let's say, over 2 weeks almost 2 weeks of my life has been very, very hectic. Like, it's been crazy. We've been going out back to back, trying to sort out things here in Malta, getting an apartment which we've already settled in, sorting out some documentations, our residency card, and just a whole lot of things. Honestly, I never believed that relocation would be this stressful. I mean, the last time I relocated anywhere, I was 17. Yes, I was 17 when I went to Cyprus. You know, I went there with my 2 boxes. I moved into the dormitory and I was living student life. I mean, there was really nothing. It wasn't like this, honestly. This one, in fact, but really grateful. You know, Maltese people are really nice, and apart from Maltese people, there's some people that we reached out to on the internet prior to coming here, and you know, some of them are YouTubers, some of them are people that are just living here, and we reached out to them and they've been so responsive, so helpful to us. Honestly, it's been such a great experience, and I'm loving the country so far. My husband and I are loving the country, and I really look forward to, you know, experiencing the whole place. These people that do relocation vlogs, you know, you're relocating and then you record every single thing, like when you get your visas, when you start packing, when you start just getting things together, when you travel in the airport, when you arrive, and just everything after you arrive at your destination. I'm like, how did these people do it? Because I was not even able to carry camera up to half of the time. Like, I wasn't even able. I don't even understand. Like, these people are trying, you know. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.